Items needed. Number 2, Phillips screwdriver. Air duster. Ladder. PRM 45 lamp. Turn on the projector and press the status button to get the lamp hours. Lamp hours should range from 1,000 to 1,500 hours before replacement. Note the hours on the lamp box. Also be sure to check the image orientation. Focus on safety. Do not use the ladder around students. Remove the 2 screws and remove the cover. With the cover off, this is what you will see. Unclip the lamp connector. While holding the lamp, unscrew the 2 lamp screws. Carefully lower lamp out of projector. Avoid sharp edges on lamp. Using the air duster, blow out the fans. Remove packing foam from new lamp. Install new lamp and tighten screws. Reconnect lamp connector. Reinstall the cover and tighten the screws. Power on the projector and press menu. Using the arrow keys, select Installation 2 and go to Advanced. Then select Lamp Hour Reset. Using the arrow keys on the remote, press down, up, left, right to reset the hours on the lamp. Test the projector and check orientation, adjust as needed.